Type in studioyoutube.com, then log in, and it will take you to your channel. Note that you cannot do this without your YouTube desktop version. This is mine here. The first thing to do is to click on settings and then click on channel. Here they will show you country of residence. Please put in the country you are currently living, because so many will tell you to put Canada, US, so that you'll be getting views from there. But what you don't know is that during monetization, this country setting affects your tax form, especially for AdSense payment. So put the country you are currently living in. The next thing to do is your keywords. This keyword is also called channel keywords. It's not like video keyword. This one is channel keywords. This helps to discover your channel, and YouTube uses them to recommend your channel to viewers that are interested in your topic. It helps also with SEO. That is, it gives YouTube more content to match your video with search terms. Just put in the words that are related to your niche, or just go to ChatGPT and type in the niche that you are into and tell ChatGPT to tell you the keywords that you can use on your channel. YouTube will give you a lot of them. ChatGPT will give you a lot of them. Just try and put little keywords. Don't jam pack it. Put keywords that are related to your channel. So after that, click on advanced setting and permanently put your channel in no, not made for kids. Even if your video is made for kids, put it in not made for kids, because there are some videos, there's kids video that adults used to watch, and if you put it not made for kids, YouTube will still restrict your channel from some of the features. So put it in not made for kids, so that anytime you upload your video, it will just be on not made for kids. So if you scroll down, you will see automatic captions. So you tick it good. If you want viewers to clip your content, you can also tick this one good. So another one is third party training. See here, you are just allowing YouTube to use your content for business. AI can just use your content. If you want AI or other company to use your content for free as advert, you can just see this one good. So after that, you click on future eligibility. So here we have standard future. This one is always enabled, but if you have any strike or any problem with YouTube, it will just disable until you are done. Like all these 3 months they used to give, maybe if you have strike, this one will just be disabled. So under it we have intermediate future. Here will be enabled if you have verified your phone number. I have made video on how to verify your phone number with YouTube. So if you verify your phone number, is very, very important. This one will be enabled. And the last one is for monetization. Next thing to do is to click on your customization, which is right here. So after that, what you have to do next is to click on your home tab. What I'm showing you is what you have to do for YouTube to recommend your videos. So when you click on your home tab, just listen very well, because this is confusing, but I'm going to try my best to teach it in a way that you understand. So the first thing you will see when you click on your home tab is show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Make sure this is turned on. Yes, make sure that this is turned on. This is not the main setting I'm talking about today, but we need to get this right before heading over to the main thing that we're about to talk today. Because you know that this is one of the ways that YouTube recommend videos, so make sure that you turned it on. So the next thing you need to do is to check your channel layout. if you have not set this setting, if you have not set this right, just try and do it. I need to talk about all these settings before heading over to the main setting that changed my channel, that took me from 0 to where I am today. Before I forget, let me tell you this: if you are putting or setting your layout, make sure you put the video that has the highest view in your channel, whether 100, whether 20, whether to like the highest video that has the highest viewed on your channel. This makes people to see that this is going like, and the funniest part of it is that you can change it anytime. Like if you get another video that got more views, you can just change it. So always put the video that has the highest view, so that anybody that comes in your channel immediately or type your name will immediately see this video, and he or she will see that people are watching this video. As you can see, this video always gets view. Like this is the video that I use as my layout, and it always got me views on my channel. This is my main video, so I just put it there. Anybody that comes to my channel always watch it. So this is what you have to do on your own channel. So after that, what you have to do next is to add section, and when you click on it, it will take you to your video. Then you select the most highest viewed video on your channel. So mine is, you are seeing mine like this because I have already customized my channel. So these ones you are seeing that the light is not dimmed are the ones that I have not added. Let's just take this one for example, like this single playlist. If I want to add it, I will tap on it. You will see it will take you to your playlist, all the playlists that you have on your channel. It will take you to that place, and you choose the one that you wanted. Guys, so sorry for taking this long, because I have to teach this because of the new YouTuber that doesn't understand anything on my channel on YouTube. That doesn't understand anything on YouTube, so I need to teach this. Just wait to the end, because the main gist, the main setting is just on the way. Just go ahead and add any section that you wanted, like all those things. Add the sections that you know that you made video on that can represent the section. So after that, you add the future video that is representing your channel for your subscriber, for your returning subscribers. Try and put video that best describe your channel. Yes, that best, like if anybody click on your channel, it will see that if you click on that video, it will know that this channel is just for this. This is very, very important. Try and add videos that anybody that is coming to your channel will know everything about your channel. Just make sure that the thumbnail is banging and the title is more attractive, that people will just click on it and watch. And lastly, the most important thing that people ignore so much, that is why you feel that YouTube is not recommending your videos. See, assuming I knew this before now, assuming I knew this, like I could have gone so far, so far, because this is what I recently applied on my channel. I recently started doing on my channel, and everything changed. Like this is what I'm about to teach you. It's what I did on my channel, and everything changed. Like I started gaining, I stopped complaining. Assuming I know this before, and so many people are ignoring this. So many are ignoring this, and I don't know whether is they are ignoring it or they don't know about it, but this makes everything change on your channel. Because not only did I get views, I started gaining more subscribers, and YouTube started recommending my videos. You know, when YouTube started recommending your videos, you started gaining views and started gaining a lot of subscribers. So what you have to do is to go to For You. You see this For You, just go to it. You know that YouTube recommend fresh content based on viewers' interest, and this is only visible to your live stream and when your channel have enough content. Now let me show you where you are getting it all wrong. Let me show you where your problem is just coming from. Okay, click on this setting, more setting, under this for you. If you click on the more settings, it says what to include in the for you section. The for you section will be only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. You know that this for you section is what YouTube recommend to your viewers that are already watching your videos. So what you have to do is to upload very well, to be consistent. Upload enough videos, not just videos that does not have value. Upload videos that have value, valuable content that YouTube can recommend. If not, YouTube will not have any video that they will recommend to your viewers, that will recommend to people. So make sure that you have videos that YouTube can be able to recommend to your viewers. So when that is done, what you have to do next is all these places that you see, videos, short, live stream, make sure that all of them are on. Make sure that all of them are on. Make sure you go to your YouTube desktop version now to check this, to check whether all these things are on. Then the last one is recency. So many people make mistake on this one, and the first option they gave you is all contents recommended. YouTube always update the for you section with fresh content, and the second one is recent content only, content you have posted in the past 12 months. So what this means is that when you put it in the first one, which is the all content recommended, this means that YouTube will be recommending your videos. Whether you uploaded a video in 1990s, YouTube will still recommend it. And when you put it in the second one, YouTube will only recommend the videos that you uploaded within 1 year. So the best place to put this is to put it in all contents recommended. So you start gaining views in all your content, whether it have reached 10 years, it have reached 20 years, you just start gaining views from it. So YouTube will continue recommending all the videos to your audience, to people. But so many people make mistake on this one and put it in recent content. No, just go to your YouTube studio version now and check where this is. This is the reason why YouTube are not recommending your videos. So try these things and change all those things and make sure that everything is intact. You see the change in your channel. You will see that everything on your channel will start changing. So do this and thank me later.